Welcome to aminacademy.com. In vectors, let us discuss about physical interpretation of dot product of two vectors. Consider two vectors A and B. Here, the physical interpretation of dot product of two vectors is definition of the work. Consider two vectors here. This is OA is the force vector. Suppose this is a OB is a distance vector. Suppose we represent vector D. Now the angle between them is theta. Here, if you find the dot product of vector F into dot vector D, it represents work. Now let us define work first. Work is said to be done when a force applied on an object to tend to move means if you apply a force on an object, the body starts to move. Therefore, work is equal force into displacement. Here, displacement is the distance between the final position to the initial position of the particle. Therefore, work in terms of vector equal force vector dot distance displacement vector D equal force vector modulus of force vector into modulus of vector D into cos theta. Here, therefore, you can write vector OA dot vector OB equal vector OA modulus vector D modulus into cos theta. If the force applied is more than one force, then resultant of the force is taken. Suppose instead of one force, there are many forces applied on a object, then we have to find the resultant of those forces and multiply with displacement vector of dot product, then we can get the work. Now let us do an example, we can understand this concept. Example: a particle is displaced from the point whose position vector is 5i minus j minus 7k to the point whose position vector is 6i plus 2j minus 2k under the action of constant forces 10i minus j plus 11k, 4i plus 5j plus 6k and minus 2i plus j minus 9k. Find the total work done by these forces. Here, force vector is having three vectors. You have to add the first force, the second force and third forces. Here, let us add them. 10i minus j plus 11k plus 4i plus 5j plus 6k plus, that is minus 2 here, minus 2i plus j minus 9k. Let us add them. 10i plus 4i, that is 14i, minus 2i is 12i, and j terms are minus 1, minus 2, minus 1 plus 5 is 4, plus 4 plus 5 plus 5j, and 11k plus 6k is 17k, minus 9 is 8k, plus 8k is a total resultant force. Then displacement vector, that is vector d equal final position minus initial position. Here the position vector is the initial position to the final position, means 6i plus 2j minus 2k minus the initial position is 5i minus 5j minus 7k equal 6 minus 5 is I, 2 minus of minus 5 is plus 5, that is 7j, and minus 2k minus of minus plus 7, that is plus 5k. Now work done equal vector f dot vector d, which is vector f is 12i plus 5j plus 8k into dot I plus 7j plus 5k, which is equal 12 into 1 is 12, 5 into 7 is 35, 8 into 5 is 40, equal 12 plus 35 is 47, 47 plus 40 is 87 units. Work done is 87 units. Units of work. We have done.